Hello, and welcome to another quick cybersecurity tip. Cybersecurity doesn't have to be complicated. It's following some basic practice and making use of a few key tools. Today, we'll show you how to enhance your Wi-Fi network security. In the age of Wi-Fi, wireless networking security is more important than ever. Use these tips to keep your wireless router as secure as possible. By default, many systems allows open connection to the network, which can be very unsafe, since you don't know who's joining your Wi-Fi. Consider disabling the setting so that you can double-check each and every attempt coming into your network. The best way to do so is set a password on your Wi-Fi. Be sure to change the router's administrator password, which is normally set to a default one out of the box. This isn't secure, since the default password is often printed on the box or the device itself. Most device default password can be found on the internet. By changing the password to something only you know, you limit unauthorized access. It's that simple. Thanks for tuning in and keep an eye out for future cybersecurity tips.